Welcome to Plants Outside. We are an independent public horticultural nursery supplying a large selection of pots and stoneware from our Shopwhyke nursery located on Drayton Lane to customers throughout the local area of Chichester. Our stock includes well-known brands such as Atlantis, William Morris, Laura Ashley, Heritage Garden Pottery, Ladybird and Be Kind. The types and styles of our pots include mirrored tile pots, rustic garden rose style, honeycomb, tiled pots, frostproof pots for your garden, and indoor pots for houseplants. The pots are constructed in a variety of materials, including terracotta, recycled plastic, slate, pebble, and driftwood. We also provide bespoke planting troughs which can be made to measure, and we offer a planting service to our customers for pots and baskets, either purchased on site or brought from your home. We offer free delivery to local customers. For more information, call us on 07541 971 274, visit our website or come and see us at our Shopwhyke nursery on Drayton Lane near Chichester.